friends! I'm Sunny the Seed, snug in the soil. Want to know how I grow into a big, strong tree? Come with me on this amazing journey. Imagine growing right along with Sunny every step of the way. First, seeds like me fall from trees, carried by the wind. Sometimes animals help, or even a flowing stream of water. Finally, I settle gently down into the soft, dark soil. The soil is super important. It's like my special food pantry. It's full of yummy nutrients that help me grow big and strong. Look, water is dripping down, soaking into the ground. The cool water is waking me up from my long sleep. Whoa, I am waking up stretching and feeling so alive. The water tells me it is time to grow. It's my wake-up call. I'm sending out tiny roots, like brave little explorers. My roots push gently through the soil, searching for more water. They drink up the water and send it all the way up to me. Roots are like straws, sipping delicious drinks from the ground. Now, a small green shoot is popping up above the soil. It's stretching towards the sky, reaching for the sun. Hello, world. I'm here and I'm ready to grow. I reach for the sunlight, soaking up its warm rays. The sunbeams give me energy power, like a super boost. Soon, bright and cute little leaves begin to appear. They unfurl slowly, reaching out to catch the sunlight. The sun gives me energy to make my own food. The leaves help me turn sunlight into yummy plant food. With the sun in my leaves, I grow and grow taller each day. Animals visit me, birds sing in my branches. The rain falls gently, giving me a refreshing drink. The seasons pass, from warm summer to snowy winter. Through it all, I grow stronger, thicker, and taller. I now stand tall as a big, beautiful, strong tree. My branches reach high into the sky, a home for birds. I drop seeds of my own, so new trees can grow too. And that is how a little seed grows into a big tree. Maybe you will plant a seed and grow a tree one day. Bye for now.